In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view only unread mails in Outlook. We'll use Outlook on the web, and by the end, you'll be able to quickly filter your inbox so you see just the messages you haven't opened yet. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your preferred search engine. In the search field, type Outlook and look for the official Outlook site in the results. Click the Outlook website to open it. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so you land on your mailbox. Once your inbox is open, move your cursor to the search bar at the very top of the page. It's usually centered near the header and may say, Search in Mail and People. Click inside that search bar to activate the search tools. Next, look for the small filter icon near the right side of that search area. Clicking the filter icon opens a panel that lets you narrow down what you see without typing a keyword. Inside this filter panel, find the section labeled Read Status. This is where you control whether Outlook shows messages that are read, unread, or both. Select Unread. As soon as you choose Unread, Outlook is set to display only the emails you haven't opened yet. To apply the filter, click the Search button. Your message list will refresh, and you should now see only unread messages in the current folder. A couple of helpful tips as you use this view. First, the filter applies to the folder you're in. If you want to review unread emails in a different folder, switch folders and reuse the same filter steps. Second, while you're in the filtered view, you can open messages, mark them as read, or take actions like archive and delete. As you mark items read, they'll disappear from the unread-only list automatically, keeping your view focused. If you want to broaden or refine your results, the filter panel includes additional options like date or sender that you can combine with unread. This is useful when you're looking for unread messages from a specific person or within a certain time frame. And when you're finished with the filtered view, clear it by clicking the X in the search box, or by returning to the filter panel and resetting the read status back to show all messages. That's all it takes. By using the search bar, opening the filter panel, choosing unread under read status, and clicking search, you can instantly zero in on only the messages that still need your attention.